In the next 3 minutes, we'll be discussing how drinking 1 cup of kefir before bed can significantly improve your morning glucose levels. 1 cup of this fermented drink can help lower fasting blood sugar and maintain control throughout the day. Starting your day with stable blood sugar is crucial for setting a positive tone, as it provides consistent energy and a better mood. With better blood sugar control, you're less likely to experience the dawn phenomenon, a common surge in blood sugar levels that typically occurs in the early morning. The importance of fasting blood sugar control. Controlling your fasting blood sugar is crucial for your overall health, especially during sleep when your body repairs itself. Stable blood sugar levels at night enable effective healing and regeneration, supporting organ function and reducing inflammation. This balance also helps improve metabolic health and the body's response to stress. Simple strategies like eating a low-carb dinner and daily exercise can make a difference. Today, we're highlighting kefir as an easy and effective addition to your routine that may help lower fasting blood sugar levels, setting you up for a healthier start each morning. What is kefir? As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Now let's dive into what kefir actually is. Kefir is a fermented milk drink made by adding kefir grains to fresh milk. These grains contain active cultures of beneficial bacteria and yeasts that feed on lactose, effectively making the milk lactose-free. This makes kefir a fantastic option for those with lactose intolerance. The fermentation process not only transforms the milk, but also produces lactic acid and carbon dioxide, giving kefir its characteristic tangy flavor. Unlike regular milk, kefir offers a unique blend of probiotics that can support gut health and metabolic function. So if you're looking for a nutritious drink that aids in blood sugar management, kefir might just be the perfect addition to your nighttime routine. How kefir helps reduce blood sugar levels. So, how does kefir help in reducing blood sugar levels? The answer lies in its rich content of probiotics and active cultures like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These beneficial bacteria have been shown to possess anti-diabetic effects, improving biomarkers of inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. By promoting a healthier gut microbiome, kefir can directly influence metabolic health, making it easier for your body to process sugars and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, the probiotics in kefir can enhance your body's insulin sensitivity, which is vital for managing blood sugar levels. Incorporating this fermented drink into your nighttime routine can be a proactive step toward better blood sugar control and overall health. Why choose kefir over yogurt? You might be wondering, why choose kefir over yogurt? While both are cultured dairy products, kefir contains a significantly higher concentration of probiotics due to its longer fermentation process. This extended fermentation period results in a greater number of colony-forming units, meaning you're getting more beneficial bacteria in every serving. Additionally, kefir has a thinner consistency, making it easier to drink and digest. While yogurt is certainly a healthy option, kefir packs a probiotic punch that can provide added benefits for blood sugar control and gut health. Drinking kefir before bed can enhance your overall wellness, helping to ensure that you wake up ready to seize the day. How to use kefir before bed to stabilize morning blood sugar levels. To stabilize morning blood glucose levels, consume a small glass, about 1/2 to 1 cup, of unsweetened kefir 30 minutes to an hour before bed. The probiotics in kefir support gut health, which may improve overnight glucose regulation. Pair it with a high-fiber or protein-rich snack, like nuts or chia seeds, to slow digestion and provide sustained energy. Always choose plain, unsweetened kefir to avoid added sugars, and start with a small portion to monitor your response. Pairing kefir with a balanced dinner of lean protein, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables can further enhance blood sugar stability overnight. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of drinking kefir before bed, it's time to make it a part of your nightly routine. Not only can it help lower your morning glucose levels, but it also promotes better digestive health and overall well-being. You should also watch this video for other effective ways to achieve great morning glucose. And please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.